Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add Tailwind CSS to an Electron project that was created with Electron Forge's Vite template. We will be creating an Electron application and then we'll add Tailwind CSS to it. That said, if you have an existing project and you would like to add Tailwind, the steps are the same. I will be adding timestamps so you can quickly jump to the part that's relevant to you. Now let's get coding. I already created an empty directory and opened it in Visual Studio Code. Now let's talk prerequisites. To create an Electron application with Electron Forge, we're going to need to make sure we have Node.js on our system, as well as a package manager. I'll be using npm. I see version numbers and no errors, which means we are ready to create an Electron app. I'm on the Electron Forge's Getting Started page, and what I'm gonna do is just copy the command for creating an Electron application pre-configured with Vite build tool. So I'll copy this part of the command and just paste it and set template to Vite and just hit enter. Now we need to wait for the dependencies to get installed. As we wait, I'd like to ask you to hit the like button if you're enjoying this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and consider becoming a channel member. Okay, so now our Electron app was created. So let's cd into it. So cd my app. Let's start it to make sure everything is working properly with the command npm start. Okay, super cool. Here is our Electron app. Now let's add Tailwind to our Electron project. As you can see, I have opened the Tailwind docs. I'll just follow the installation instructions for Tailwind as a Vite plugin, and I'll adapt the steps as needed so that it actually works for Electron. Since we already have a Vite project, we can just skip this step. So now let's move on to the second step. We need to install Tailwind CSS and Tailwind CSS / Vite. I'll just copy this command and just paste it and wait till everything installs. Okay, everything is installed. Now let's go to package.json. As you can see, Tailwind CSS Vite and Tailwind CSS were added as dependencies. Now the third step is to configure the Vite plugin. We're supposed to add the Tailwind CSS plugin to our vite.config file. The issue is, in our project, there are 3 Vite config files. There is vite.main, vite.preload, and vite.renderer. We want to go to the vite.renderer.config file because that's where all our front end or UI related configuration lives. Let's copy the import statement and paste it. Now let's just add Tailwind CSS to plugins. I'll just copy and paste. Okay, so the next step is to import Tailwind CSS by adding this import statement to our CSS file. So let's go to our source directory and it will find index.css, which Electron Forge created for us already. And just add the import Tailwind CSS statement at the top. And that should be it since the CSS file was already imported to renderer.js by Electron Forge. So now let's run our app. So npm start. And now let's see if Tailwind is working. I'll just copy those classes from the docs and add them to the h1 element, just like in the example. Okay, so I'll just paste. All right, it worked. We did it. That was easy, right? I hope it worked for you. If you have any questions or suggestions, please type them down in the comments below and I will respond as soon as I can. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and consider becoming a channel member. See you in the next video. Bye.